The Jungfrau Region in Switzerland is famous for its breathtaking views, stunning landscapes and challenging hikes. In this video, I'm gonna share with you my top 3 easy hikes in the Jungfrau Region. I've done them recently and enjoyed them so much, and I'm sure you'll be itching to hit the trails after this. First to Bachabsee and back. Let's kick things off with an amazing hike located in Grindelwald, a charming mountain village in the Bernese Alps. Begin by taking the Firstbahn cable car, which will transport you to the trailhead.
All passengers, please exit here.
This hike covers a total distance of around 6 kilometers, taking you from First to Bachabsee and back. Now the first part of this hike involves a bit of a steep climb. As you ascend, you'll be rewarded with magnificent views of alpine meadows. At the pinnacle of this patch, you'll discover the Bachabsee, a crystal clear lake that reflects the Schreckhorn on calm days. It's absolutely beautiful, and if you're brave, you can even swim in the cold waters. Lauterbrunnen to Stechelberg. Next on the list is a trail that guides you from Lauterbrunnen to Stechelberg. Along the way you'll be accompanied by stunning waterfalls, with the Staubbach Falls stealing the spotlight as it cascades dramatically from a sheer cliff face. As you stroll along the trail, you'll encounter beautiful meadows and charming Swiss chalets. This honestly felt like a fairy tale. This hike is more like a walk, to be honest. It is about 5 kilometers long and it follows the Lütschine River through the heart of the Lauterbrunnen Valley. If you want more information on Lauterbrunnen, I have a video right here that you can watch right now or at the end of this video. If you enjoy this video and want to see more of beautiful Switzerland and other beautiful places on Earth, please make sure to subscribe. Wengen, Lauterbrunnen Trail. Last but certainly not least, we have the magnificent Lauterbrunnen Trail. The path starts at the train station, takes you through the picturesque village of Wengen and into a peaceful forest. So this trail basically leads through the forest with some pretty amazing views on the mountains. It's beautiful to hike because spring is in full bloom. Up above a hill, you'll have the most amazing views on Lauterbrunnen Valley. The trail then loops back to the starting point, following the same scenic route. The Lauterbrunnen Trail is an easy hike, about 5.6 kilometers. It takes about an hour and 30 minutes and goes from Wengen to Lischboden to Hondenfluh to Usri Almi and back down to Wengen. So there you have it. Those are my favorite easy walks in the Jungfrau region. If you have any other suggestions for hikes that you might have done, please let me know in the comments. And if you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and until next time.